Our field trip to Agitnuk by Madison Alston Bean. Beginning. In the morning, the 4th and 5th graders went upriver to Agitnuk. First, we got dressed with all our warm rain gear and life jackets. Then we gathered all in the gym to get in the bus. The bus dropped us off at the dock. Then we went up to Agitnuk Middle. When we got to Agitnuk, we went to run around for a while. Then we went to pick blueberries with our partners. My partner was Kaylee. Me and Kaylee picked lots of berries. After everybody picked berries, we had lunch. In our lunch, we had ham sandwiches, beef jerky, Rice Krispies, and cookies. Then everybody got ready to go. And when we were coming back, we were laughing because it was really rough. At the school, we went to PE. And the next day, we made smoothies. The end.
Our field trip to Agitnuk by Carl Tikyun. Beginning. The 4th and 5th graders got ready to go in the gym and made up partners and went in the bus and Mr. Herbert's car. And we went down to the boat. We started off slow and we went fast, and we saw baby ducks, geese, loons, swans, cranes, and we got there and went on the hill and started picking blueberries. Middle. We went riding, and Willie was the only one that caught pike, and we ate lunch. We had sandwiches and drink juice, a little bit blueberries, a little riding again, and we put them away, and we got berries and went in the boat. Left, and Teresa caught Mr. Herbert with a satellite phone, told him we are going home, and when we got there, we waited for the boat to unload. I got on the bus, went to the school, and we weighed the blueberries, we weighed the pike, got a bag and put in there, and the day after that, we got out the blueberries, and we had Teresa's blender, and we borrowed Miss Hanson's blender, put in 1.5 cups of strawberries, 1.5 cups of raspberries, 2 cups of blueberries, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of honey, and mix them and got cups and pour it in some smoothies. The end.